Lesson 143, the instrumental plural. With this lesson, as we say here in the book, you are to be congratulated because you've reached kind of a milestone in your Russian studies. You know now how to use all 6 cases, and you know how to form nouns in the singular and plural of each of the 6 cases. Of course, this is only for the first declension. If you continue on studying Russian, you'll continue on to the second declension and then on to the third declension. But when you go on to other declensions, you will already have a big head start because you will already know what each case does. The function of the nominative case is the same whether it's the first declension, second declension, or third declension. The function of the genitive case is the same no matter what declension you're in. The function of the dative, the accusative, the instrumental, the prepositional, these cases are the same cases no matter what declension you're in. So you've already learned how to use the various cases. If you want to learn a new declension, you'll have to just learn the different endings for the nouns in that declension. But you don't have to relearn what the nominative case is. You don't have to relearn the genitive or the dative. You already know all that stuff. When you start to learn the second or third declension, you will merely be learning the new endings. So you have a big head start for when you move forward into the second and third declensions. In this particular book, we are only teaching you the first declension so that you can master that one declension before you attempt to learn all the endings of other declensions. We didn't want to confuse you by teaching you more than one declension at the same time. We wanted to teach you a more limited amount of information, but allow you to master that and get really good at that one declension, and then that gives you a strong platform from which to launch into other declensions and to move forward in your Russian studies. So here in this lesson, as far as the instrumental plural goes, you will use the instrumental plural if the thing that you are using to accomplish a task is plural. For example, the sentence here, the women are writing with pens. The object being used to accomplish the task is a pen, but there's more than one pen because you have multiple women writing with multiple pens. So the word for pen, it's instrumental, but it needs to be plural because there's more than one pen being used to accomplish the task. So that's how you can use the instrumental plural in a sentence.